Welcome to Axiom, the all-in-one trading bot and the future of Memecoin trading. Over in the Discover tab, we have a deck screener built in and a trending tab. In Pulse, we have new pairs, about to migrate, and migrated, with precise filters like audit and metrics, and protocols like pump fund and moonshot. Moving on, we have a built-in wallet tracker with space for over 300 wallets that can also be imported from Bullex. It's adjustable and can be moved anywhere. It has live trades and also on-chart wallet tracking. Moving on to the Twitter tracker, which has every account that you need and is adjustable and movable. Now Axiom has information that other bots don't, like bundle percentage, DEX paid, and dev migrations. The fills are instant on Axiom, and you even get cash back every time you trade a coin. To see your P&L, you can look there, and to share it, you can click the top left. As you can see, you can claim Solana just from trading. Another thing is perpetuals, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, as well as hundreds of other coins. You can also stake your Solana and earn 5% off it every year. Here's the portfolio tab where you can see your balance, active positions, history, activity, performance, and P&L. You can also see perpetual information. Now in rewards, you can see how many points you earned, how much Solana you earned, how to earn points, all the quests needed to earn points, and your Solana rewards. You also get a 30% referral rate for everyone you refer in Axiom. The Memecoin trading space is going to change very fast and very soon. It's time to change the way meme coins are being traded and lock in with Axiom using my link in description.